Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. We've got an impromptu Porsche catch up today. We're just taking some quick photos. We're down by the old railway line. We have got a right old collection with us today. So there's a railway line over there. I think over in that direction is Melbourne, but I do have a really bad sense of direction. We will take a look at what cars are here. So of course we've got our 356 running absolutely perfectly after having just a few minor problems. Look at this little Carrera. It's actually got a little tartan interior, so we might stick the camera through the sunroof. But I love the black and the red, and the more I look at them, do need to refurbish the wheels on R930. Joseph's down here with his Outlaw 356. It's a lovely interior on his car, look at that. Of course, it has a jig assist on the car, but that's sat there very nicely. Lovely view down here. Brendan with his new imported 356C. Still got the markings from the shipper. Does need a little bit of a wash, but it is nice to have a 356 down here, which ours isn't the dirtiest car down here, so that's really nice. And then we've got another little Carrera here as well. Look at that. Very, very nice. So look at that. I think we've got some decent drone footage which we'll put in. We're going to get some photos, and look at that. So there's the backdrop. Cars look fantastic lined up there. I'm taking some photos. So I think we'll have a look at the tartan in the Carrera, because that looks brilliant. So look at this. This was actually delivered like this, and it's the original tartan. Look how nice that is. Oh, I love that. Fantastic. So here we go, a few more shots here. Carrera's bookending the 356s. 356C, 356B, and 58A. Bookended by another Carrera. Well, just a short fun video from us. Hope you enjoyed it. In the COVID situation, you can kind of get lost and kind of forget that Melbourne is a great, beautiful city, but just with things at the moment how they are, you kind of forget that, and it was nice to hopefully be able to capture some of that and share some of that as well. So please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you later guys with something new. See ya.
pushing me